Na nek način je kazalo, da bo obiskovalcev manj kot lani, sedaj se ta trg tukaj polni. Kako ste zadovoljni z odzivom obiskovalcev letos?
Ja, odziv je precej nad pričakovanjem, celo od vsega začetka, se pravi od ponedeljka pa do danes, te glavne dogodki, glavne projekcije filmov, nastopi skupin so polne, tako da zelo dober obisk.
Kaj bi izpostavili morda kot tiste ključne presežke letošnjega leta?
Jaz vsekakor moram omeniti glavna gosta festivala Christopherja Leeja in Medtema. Tu smo zelo ponosni in srečni, da smo jih dva lahko privabili v eno majhno mesto, kot je Ljutomer. Najbolj se mi zdi, da za nas, organizatorje, je najbolj pomembno to, da so nekako obiskovalci sprejeli in da vedno bolj poznajo dogodke in da se sami že vejo usmerjati in tako, da že dihamo skupaj z našo publiko.
Dokazali ste, da lahko tudi moški kričijo, ne samo ženske. Ste vadili doma pred ogledalom?
Ne, v bistvu moram priznati, da čist nikoli nisem na vso moč kriknil. Tako da to mi je bila sjajna priložnost, da to naredim in se dobro počutim zaradi tega.
Kaj pa sicer, kakšno je vaše mnenje o letošnjem Grossmannovem festivalu?
Super, moram reči, da sem prvič. Se mi zdi, da je to kar en svetovni nivo festivala, tudi glede gostov, glede filmov, pa sploh glede atmosfere, ker so krasni ljudje tukaj.
I absolutely love the festival. I'm in show business since I was a child, and I have only 3 passions in life. It's filmmaking, music, and ever since I start to live in Paris, I discover wine. So it's my 3 big loves in life, and this is a festival where in a short amount of days, I get all my love and passion in a week. So it's very nice, and I've had an amazing time here and discovering Slovenian wine and discovering your beautiful country, and it's a very special experience for me.
You were hosting a screen contest today. Yeah. Since you're a screen queen, how did you like the men screaming?
Oh, I love the men screaming because it's a new experience for me. I'm just always women screaming and maybe tired of so many women screaming. So it was like a new experience for me. I wish there was more men today. It was very few men. I'm sure behind every man there is a scream queen waiting to get out.
Pridite, ne bojte se, tudi mi grizemo.
What do you visualize when you want to put up a perfect scream?
It's hard for me to isolate just to scream like, oh, you must scream right now. Because for me, it's a really process, a deep process. I'm a trained actress, and for me, when I'm doing Friday the 13th or all the other roles where I scream, I'm in my character, and it's an escalation of my character that brings me to scream. So of course I'm an actress and I could scream here if I really want to, but for me it's out of context. It's not the same, you know. I was like 15 years old when I'm screaming, and I'm winning a lot of awards and a lot of recognition as the best scream queen and the best scream in a movie, and I was really noted for the scream, and I think even Tarantino appreciated my scream.
The theme vampires of this year's festival, how are you connected to it? Isn't there too much blood?
Oh, I love blood. I love blood.
Well, let me see your hands.
Na glavnem trgu v Ljutomeru se dan počasi preveša v noč. Kmalu bodo podeljene nagrade za najboljši film, na kar sledi tukaj ples vampirjev. Za večer.com z Grossmannovega festivala, Grossmann.